Good evening, and welcome to our video on finding and applying linear regression equations. So this is the final video of the semester. And again, we're going to use StatCrunch for this. So it's going to work much the same way as using StatCrunch for correlation. All right. Again, when you press on the little block right here, you're going to see an option that says Open in StatCrunch. Press on it. All right, once you get to StatCrunch, you'll notice data is already loaded. Press Stat, Regression, and Simple Linear. For X values, choose the height. For Y variables, choose the stories. And then when you're done with that, press Compute. And we're going to get some answers. Let's find out. Okay, so we're looking for the slope and the intercept. The slope is right here. And the y-intercept is right above it. So for this, the slope is 0.051 and the intercept is 13.94. So when you create your equation, y is equal to 0.051x plus 13.94. Okay, well, the next steps are we're going to use that formula you get to make predictions. So I'm going to retype the equation real quick. And it is y equals to 0.051x plus 13.94. Okay. So in part A, they said what happens when x equals 498? Well, we would do 0.051 times 498 plus 13.94. You get 39.338, but the closest value to it is 40 because this is a multiple choice question and 39 is not an option. So we'll go with 40. For x equals 650, we would do 0.051 times 650 plus 13.94. So we get 47.09, which is roughly equal to 48. Okay, part C, that's a trick. If you do x equals 798, it is not meaningful, and here's why. When you notice your data, if you notice in particular the x values, the biggest value is 775, and the smallest x value is 474. For linear regression to have meaning, you can only use x values that are between the highest and the lowest. In this case, we can only use x values between 474 and 775. 498 is between 474 and 775. 650 is between 474 and 775. But 798 is not between 474 and 775. In fact, 798 is bigger than 775. Mathematically, you could put it in, you'll get an answer, but it won't have any meaning. Here's an equivalent to that. Let's say that the formula that represents population is equal to 3x plus 10. But the linear regression was used to figure the population between 1900 and 1950. Well, that formula won't work for 2020 because it's 70 years beyond that. So you have to stay between the x values we're working with. Now, 731. Yes, 731 is between 474 and 775. So whatever answer you get will be meaningful. So 0.051 times 731 plus 13.94 is equal to 51.221, or just 52. So You can now answer questions 8 through 11 on Homework Quiz Chapter 9. And that actually concludes our semester. So I know it was a lot of information to do in such a short time, but if you made it this far, then you did it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.